Hi everyone, welcome to the live on herbs. So today we will speak about cinnamon. It is a spice. So we know that spices are loaded with medicinal benefits, and cinnamon is familiar to us as a food item. We add it to you sprinkle it in your toast, or add it to your smoothie or your golden turmeric or turmeric latte, or you add it to your dessert. Like that, in various ways we take it as food. But cinnamon has lot of medical benefits also. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, polyphenol, an antioxidant, and it is also anti-inflammatory. So because of the anti-inflammatory quality, it prevents blood platelets from clumping together. It can ease your swellings. It can even prevent abnormal cell growth. So any condition associated with inflammation, you can take cinnamon. Even for acne, you can use cinnamon mask. This is also a beauty tip. You can mix cinnamon powder with little honey and apply evenly over the face as a mask. Leave it for 10 minutes and wash it with normal water. And this helps you to, if you have any inflammatory skin break in the face, it will help you. Cinnamon is also antimicrobial, anti-parasitic, and main benefit of cinnamon, what I would like to share with you, is it will help in reducing the blood sugar. If you are type 2 diabetes, then cinnamon will help you. You can take 5 grams every day. That is half teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon. That will become 5 grams. Up to 1 teaspoon, half to 1 teaspoon is the dose you take for medicinal benefits. So this cinnamon contains certain compounds which imitate the insulin. So it boosts insulin function and metabolism and improve the sensitivity to hormone insulin. That is how it will help you in diabetes. So if you are diabetic, take cinnamon every day. It also helps in lowering your blood pressure and prevents the risk of heart disease. So daily you can take cinnamon tea if you have blood pressure or if you have a tendency of heart problem. And cinnamon also helps you in weight loss. Good news. You can take lemon, honey and cinnamon water on empty stomach. So you boil cinnamon stick in water. Cinnamon comes as stick because this is the inner, you take out the stem of the cinnamon tree. It's a tree. Take out the stem and take out the inner part of the stem, and then it comes as a roll. That's how you get cinnamon. Then you can make it powder also. You get it at cinnamon powder also. So boil a 3-inch piece of cinnamon stick in water, or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in water. Squeeze a lemon to it. When it cools down, add honey and take it on empty stomach. This will help in weight loss. And it boosts your metabolism also. When metabolism is boosted, then also you can it will help you to reduce weight. And cinnamon also is used as a laxative. It induces bowel movement. So dilute cinnamon water, like a tea only, but dilute half teaspoon in a 1 big cup of water. If you can take that in the evening, it will help you to ease your bowel movement, and it will reduce gas problem also. Also in the night, when you take cinnamon water or cinnamon diluted tea, it helps you relax your muscles. It helps you build up immunity, boost your metabolism and digest all the food you ate during the day. And this all will happen while you are sleeping. So it is a good idea to have cinnamon in the evening, cinnamon tea. And there are other benefits of cinnamon also. It is helpful in Alzheimer's disease, HIV. We treat and heal chronic wound problem with cinnamon. And even it has anti-tumor property. The cinnamaldehyde, the ingredient in cinnamon, has tumor property. So you can add cinnamon tea to your daily menu if you have any of this condition. So make use of the properties of cinnamon and use it, and the benefits, or if you have any question you can post it, I will answer. Lakhani Payal has asked how to make that tea. So I already told that boil cinnamon stick in the water, then it becomes cinnamon tea. According to what you need, you can add, like if you are taking for weight loss, add lemon and honey. If you are taking only for diabetes, add honey and take. And if you are using as anti-inflammatory, you can just take cinnamon tea. It's very tasty because it's sweet in taste. So these are the benefits of cinnamon. Use it and tell me whether these herbs and the usage I am sharing, whether it is helpful for you. Let me know. See you next Sunday with another herb.